Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when writing tests for code with database dependencies. The issue arises when attempting to test a method that returns data based on database values, leading to null assertions due to lack of data in the underlying list. Quite the conundrum, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key lies in setting up your mocks with the appropriate data and behavior using Mockito's when keyword. By programmatically providing the expected behavior of the mock, you can simulate the presence of data in the database without actually using one. In the provided solution code, the mock is configured to return a list containing country objects like Belgium and Canada, allowing the test to successfully retrieve the desired country based on the name provided. It's all about setting the stage for a successful test run. In summary, testing code with database dependencies can be tricky, but with the right setup, using mocks and behavior configuration, you can simulate database interactions without the need for an actual database. By following the prescribed solution approach, you can ensure that your tests run smoothly and effectively, providing confidence in the functionality of your code. And with that, we wrap up our video. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.